Hi dear students, everyone to welcome. In a previous class, we discussed haloalkanes and haloarenes of classifications. So, in that classification, already we discussed first of the based on the number of halogens atom is present. So, monohalogens, dihalogens, polyhalogens. Clear? So, now going to the next one. Compounds containing sp3CX bond, carbon halogens bond sp3 hybridized. Okay, so let we know it. sp3 hybridization. Early classes we already know well about hybridizations, types of hybridization. So one of the sp3 hybridization. So the carbon and X is a halogen. The halogen atoms is attached with the carbon atom in the formation of alkyl group. So see here how the form of this carbon atom is given sp3. So one bond is sigma, 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 sigma. Clear? In hybridization, we only the involving of sigma bonds. 4 sigma bonds. 4 means S1, P3, 3 plus 1, sp3 hybridization. Either is presents 3 will give 3 sigma bonds, S1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 sigma bonds, sp2 hybridization. So here sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is what? Alkyl groups. Okay. So in the type of, we concentrate only the alkyl groups of sp3 hybridization. Okay. So let me go for knowing about the classifications. Okay. So in the second one, the compound containing sp3 carbon and halogens bond. In this type of compounds, the halogen atoms is attached or bounded to the sp3 carbon atom. Okay, this is called as containing sp3 carbon halogen bond. They have 3 types. We knowing 3 types of sp3 CH bond. The first one is alkyl halide. Alkyl halides. Okay. So what's the definition of alkyl halides? In these compounds, the halogens atom is attached to the alkyl group. Alkyl means what? So any examples of methane, ethane, propane, like, so for example methane, one of the H is losses to forming of CH3. Okay, this is called any type of methane, ethane, propane, butane. So one H hydrogen is lost, we call as alkyl group. Represent R. So methane is methyl. Ethane C2H4. This is ethyl, like. Okay. So alkyl group ge halogen atom direct agi bond H. Okay. So these type of alkyl halides are in a homogeneous series. General representation is Cn H2n plus 1 X. Okay. This is the alkyl halides general representation. For see the examples. See concentrated will be carbon to 1 H3. Right? 1. So 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 H3. X halogens. We did mention any one of the halogen atoms. Fluorine, bromine, iodine. And manganese. So we substituted bromine. So this name is methyl bromide. Methyl bromide. Or you take Cl chloride, I iodide, F fluoride. Okay. So either another one of the name is bromomethyl. Okay. So one more example. Take 2. C2. H2 into 2, 4 plus 1. H5 Br. Either Cl. Okay. So what is the name is ethyl chloride. So now just concentrate on this one. sp3 hybridization. This is presence of sp3 hybridization or not. See this example. C, H, H, H and Br. Okay. So this carbon atom is attached to the halogens from sp3 hybridization. This carbon atom, see, this is 1 sigma 1, 2, 3, 4. This having sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So let me check for this example. This is CH3, CH2, Cl, ethyl chloride. So write to CH and CH like this. Okay? You write like this also. So this is a halogen is attached to the sp3 carbon atom. See, this is sigma 1, sigma 1, sigma 1, sigma 1, 4 sigma 1, sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Clear? So now going to the these alkyl halides further classified on the nature of carbon atom sp3 carbon hybridized carbon atom to which the halogen atom is attached. Carbon atom our halogen atom jothe join agide. Adr base mele we classified further 3 types. First one is primary alkyl halides. Okay, so primary alkyl halide or representation like this is primary alkyl halide. So what's this definition? See this example. So general representation. This is halogen is attached to the which is attached to the one more carbon atom. Okay. So general representation is RCHH. Or representation what? Alkyl group. So now you define about primary alkyl halides. The halogen atom is bonded to the primary carbon atom. Okay. Otherwise, the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is attached to the one more carbon atom. It is called a primary alkyl halides. Either very simple definition. Halogen atom is attached to the primary carbon atom. Okay, primary carbon atom means they have containing one alkyl group. Okay, remaining are hydrogens. Say any one of the examples. This is the example of primary alkyl halides. CH3. Okay, this is example of CH3, CH2, Cl. Okay, this is an example either Br. Okay, ethyl bromide. So note down one more point. Just see this. This is a primary alkyl halides or not? This is CH3Br, but CH3Br means CH3Br. Just focus off this one. It should having one alkyl group present is a primary alcohols, but there is no alkyl group, only the hydrogens are present. So this is called what? Methyl halides. Okay, so one of the example is methyl bromide. It is primary or not? Yes. Methyl halides are often we consider as a primary alkyl halides because of why we call that reactivity is almost gave equal to the primary alkyl halides. Okay. Reactivity, ಅದರ nature is gave equal to primary alkyl halides. ಅದರಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ reactivity. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, the methyl halides also as considered primary alkyl halides. So this example also considered as a primary alkyl halides. This is one of the points. Just note down on this one. Okay. Okay. Let's looking for secondary. See, secondary alkyl halides. So see the definition. This is halogen. It is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is attached to the 2 carbon atoms. So remaining is H. 2 carbon atom is this having the methyl group. Okay, it's called as general representation. Say or H or we know into representation alkyl. This is also alkyl group. It is either you mentioned here also. Here it is. Only the important thing is halogen atom is attached with carbon atom, in which the carbon atom is further bonded with 2 alkyl groups. It's having 2 alkyl group. Okay, so this is about the definition of secondary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides, halogen atom is bonded with the secondary carbon atom. Okay, so now we're going to tertiary. Tertiary, third one. Tertiary alkyl halides. So same as like halogen atom is bonded with carbon atom. This carbon atom which bonded 3 carbon atoms. CH3, CH3, CH3. So we call it as X, C, or. This is general representation. R represent 3 alkyl groups. We do not have confusions, right, like this. Okay, so our R1, R2. Okay, this is about the tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom. So primary carbon atom. The halogen atom is bonded with primary carbon atom. Halogen is bonded with secondary carbon atom. Halogen is bonded with tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary means 3 alkyl groups are present. 2 alkyl groups are present. So only 1 alkyl group are present. Clear? Okay. To give any type of examples. So one of the example like here. So the secondary alkyls will remove to get Cl. Okay. This is one of the example. Either you write this one to get to forming of Br. Okay. This is one of the example. the longest chain, okay, right, this is the longest chain. They can write like this: CH3, Br, CH3 and CH3. Same as like, okay, what's the 3 alkyl group is present, right? So 1, 2, 3. 3 is propane and 2 methyl and 2 bromo. 2 methyl propane. Okay. Later, next class we discuss about nomenclature. Okay. So these are all the primary, secondary, tertiary under the alkyl halides. Now, second type of sp3CH bond. Second one, allylic halides. Okay, so just to see the example. This is halogen. It is attached with carbon atom, okay, which is attached with double bonded carbon atom or sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So let me take one example to understand this thing. So this is Cl, chlorine. This is 1, 2, CH2. They can write CH2 like this. H, H. And C. This is double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only H is present. And this is 1, 2. Carbon having 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3. CH2. Okay. So write like this simplified. Cl, CH2, CH, double CH2. Okay. So see here, the halogen atom is bonded with what type of nature? This compound is giving 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds means sp3 carbon atom, hybridized carbon atom. Okay. In this sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is bonded with the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, it is called allylic halide. See here, this carbon atom, 2 bond is present. One is sigma bond, another one is pi bond. Pi bonds is not considered in hybridization. So 1, 2, 3, sigma bond, sigma. 3 means 1 plus 2, 3. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Clear? So now you go into the definition of allylic halide. The halogen atom, okay, just concentrate this one. Halogen atom is bonded with the sp3 carbon atom. Here sp3 carbon atom. This sp3 carbon atom is bonded with sp2 carbon atom is called what? Another name is allylic carbon atom. Okay, simply define about allylic halides. The halogen atom is bonded with allylic carbon atom is called allylic halides. Either the halogen atom is bonded with the sp3 carbon atom next to the carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon double bond, or this is what? sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, this is about definition. So general formula for Allylic acid, this is what general formula, it's a double bond, right? Single bond, this is X, one of the formation of general formula. Okay. X is a halogen, this is a carbon atom, this is carbon atom. In this carbon atom, sp and two hydrogens are present. This is carbon, this is one of the bond, this is one of the bond, remaining are hydrogens. So we simply write like this. Okay. And you consider aliphatic open chain structure. Either we have cyclic type of structure. This is bonded with X. It's a halogen. Single bond. It having double bond. The carbon atom, halogens is attached to carbon atom, is bonded with next double bonded carbon atom. Okay. So examples. Okay, this is the example. Okay, either you take CH3, CH2, CH2, double bond CH, CH2, Cl. Okay, Cl, CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH2, Br. Okay, this is same as this is called what? So double bond means alkyl group. So 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atom is propane. This is actually propene. So 1, 2, 3 carbon atom attached is 3 bromo. 3 bromo propene. Like this is the 1, 2, 3. Say 3 chloro propene, right? So this is also same example, like so chlorine CH2 double bond. This is attached to one more alkyl group. So alkyl group is present. Okay. So this is having the CH3. One more alkyl group attached. So now count in carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So now count this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All are balanced. This is called what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means butane. Actually, this is butene. Butene. Number of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chlorobutene. Okay. So these are the examples. Now going to this type of thing. Say X represent chlorine, bromine, iodine, chlorine. So this is take fluorine also. Okay. So this is example. Okay, so this is about the allylic halides. Next, third one, last one is benzylic halides. Benzylic halide. So we're going to define some example. Definition of benzylic halides. Benzylic halides means, say the halogen atom is bonded with sp3 hybridized carbon atom adjacent next to the benzene ring. See the general representation, general formula. Say halogen atom, okay, bonded with sp3 hybridized atom. sp3 hybridized atom means H. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to adjacent to the benzene ring. Next is benzene ring. Okay, this is a general formula of benzylic halides. Clear? See some examples of this one. Benzene ring should always present in 3 pi bonds alternating. CH2. X represent any one of Cl, B or I. This is called what? Benzyl chloride. Okay. So just concentrate on this one. Sure. So benzene ring. Okay. Say this is X. This is carbon atom. In this carbon atom, carbon R2. Okay. So this is also we classify primary, secondary, tertiary as like. So just see here, R1 is equal to R2 is H. Suppose we take R1 is H, R2 is also H. This will give primary benzyl halides. Okay. R1 is equal to H and R2 is CH3 will give. Suppose we take this to be right here, benzene ring. This is H R1. This is CH3. This is X or bromine. So what the thing is, it should be called as secondary. Okay, one carbon atom is one more methyl is present. Either is replaced. Replaced means it should be R1 is CH3 and R2 is H. Okay. So in the case of R1 is R1 and R2 both were CH3. It should tertiary. So example of CH3, CH3 and any halogens. So this is called tertiary. This is about benzylic halides. Okay. Clear? Okay. Next for compound containing sp2 CH bond.